Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of technology. Have you heard of artificial intelligence, or AI? It's changing the world in ways we never imagined possible. From the way we communicate to how we travel, AI is making everything smarter and more efficient. AI is in your phone, helping you with tasks like setting reminders and finding information. It's in your car, making driving safer and more enjoyable with advanced navigation systems and self-driving capabilities. And even your kitchen appliances are getting smarter. Imagine a fridge that tells you when you're out of milk, or an oven that cooks your food to perfection every time. Pretty cool, right? AI might sound like something out of a science fiction movie with robots and futuristic gadgets, but it's not just a fantasy anymore. It's real and it's here, transforming our everyday lives in countless ways. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is making a significant impact. Don't worry, it's not about robots taking over the world. Instead, AI is designed to assist us, making our lives easier and more convenient. AI is here to help us, and there's so much to learn about it. So let's dive deeper and explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence together. AI is like giving a computer a brain. But what does that really mean? Well, imagine if your computer could think and learn just like you do. It's not a real brain, of course, but it mimics some of the ways our brains work. It processes information, learns from experiences, and even makes decisions based on what it has learned. This ability to learn and make decisions is what sets AI apart from regular computers. Traditional computers follow a set of predefined rules, but AI can adapt and improve over time. Imagine a computer playing chess. A regular computer just follows rules and makes predictable moves. But a computer with AI can learn from its mistakes and get better over time. It can analyze past games, understand strategies, and even develop new tactics. This learning process allows AI to become more proficient and efficient in whatever task it is performing. It's like having a personal tutor that never gets tired and always keeps improving. AI can also understand pictures and words. It can recognize objects and images, understand spoken language, and even translate text from one language to another. Think about your phone unlocking with your face. This is a perfect example of AI in action. It scans your face, recognizes your features, and grants you access. Or consider your virtual assistant answering questions and performing tasks for you. Whether it's Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, these are all powered by AI. It's pretty amazing stuff. AI is transforming the way we interact with technology, making our lives easier and more connected. So, how does AI learn? It's a fascinating process that mimics the way humans and animals learn, but with some key differences. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You start with a simple command and show the dog what you want it to do. You show it what to do, reward it when it gets it right, and correct it when it makes a mistake. Over time, the dog learns through repetition and feedback. AI learns in a similar way, but much faster. Instead of treats and corrections, AI uses data and algorithms to understand and improve. Scientists feed AI tons of information, like pictures of cats and dogs. This data acts as the training material for the AI. The AI learns to tell the difference between a cat and a dog by analyzing thousands, sometimes millions of images. The more information it gets, the smarter it becomes. With each new piece of data, the AI refines its understanding and improves its accuracy. Just like a student who gets better with practice and study, AI becomes more capable as it processes more data. This continuous learning process is what makes AI so powerful and versatile. From recognizing images to understanding human speech, AI's ability to learn and adapt opens up endless possibilities for innovation and problem-solving in various fields. AI is already making our lives easier in so many ways. It helps doctors diagnose diseases, helps cars drive themselves, and even helps you find your favorite songs online. And the best part is, AI is still evolving. It's like a young student with lots of potentials. Who knows what amazing things AI will help us achieve in the future?